Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name's Emma. Beside me is my husband Ash and our children Minky, Dave, Cookie and Tiny Teabag. This is my identical twin sister Suze. We speak a lot about her and we vlog our daily lives here. Thank you for joining us. Oh wow, morning everybody. Still quite an emotional 24 hours later, or however long it's been. 20 hours later. First of all, while I plait my hair in the car, I want to say thank you to every single one of you that took the time to watch Susie's video yesterday. And you know, as you know, if you've watched from the beginning, it's extremely difficult for Susie to do that or be on camera. I didn't ask her to do that. I follow her lead, and if I daily vlog, you know, she's not ever in them. But if she wants to say something or be in the video, then I'll, you know, obviously let her do that. And just wanted to say thank you for the massive response and support from yesterday. You know, to hear it from Susie's mouth is just huge. And she does want to speak to you. She does want to interact, but it's so incredibly hard for her right now when she's so poorly. And just to clear it up, if it wasn't clear, she's not just on ibuprofen now. She's not on ibuprofen at all. The ibuprofen was prescribed and she was advised to take that when they couldn't be bothered to check what was wrong with her. They were just saying, take ibuprofen, you'll be fine. This was before her diagnosis. So they were filling her full of ibuprofen, which then damaged all of her kidneys. And that's when they didn't know what was wrong with her, which is another thing that it shouldn't happen. They shouldn't just be palming you off with different painkillers or medication or antidepressants when they don't actually know what's wrong with you. So now she's on, I mean, a huge dosage and catalogue of medication now. I mean, it'd be enough to kill a pony, really. So she, although you're all saying that a team should, and the hospice and her, sorry, that's my tummy rumbling, and Susie told me to make a big coffee in the car. Her oncologist and her team should be helping her. They do, guys, but she's on so much medication that all they can do now is up it, and she hallucinates and she is knocked out by it already. So to be told that all they can do is just up it, it means that she'll just be in like a hallucinogenically induced coma, you know, for most of the time. And she doesn't want that. She's fighting it. She's fucking hard. You know, she wants to try and stay as independent and as normal as possible for as long as she can. And to take more and more medication, she knows that that's the next step to just being not really with it, you know. It's really hard, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for all of our new viewers and subscribers. It helps. And everyone that's been there from day one. You're such a comfort and support. And to have messages to say that, you know, Susie's helped you, or Susie's saved your life, or your daughter's life, or your sister's life, or your mum's life, or your friends. It's a massive comfort to know that something, at least, because there's nothing that we can do other than save other people. That's all we can do now. That's it. So, as always, as you know, my Thursday routine, if you've watched for a while, is to get up, get out to work, and then go home and see my husband and my furry babies. I stay with Susie from Tuesday to Thursday most weeks now. I'm self-employed, you know. It's very hard to take time off work when you're not getting paid. And I live such a long way from 50-60 miles. It's a long hour and a half drive away. God, I've rabbited on for 6 minutes. I'm sorry. I will try and now keep the next videos upbeat. I know the haters don't like that. They love to see the terror and the sadness and the wallowing. But every day's not like that. It can't be. It has to be upbeat. Susie watches my videos for escapism. And I put my videos up for her. So I will find something fun or some shops to go around, or if she can't get out, and I will show you what's in the shops, or I'll show you something funny. I'll show you what I make for dinner. I'll show you whatever I want. And if that's fun for Suze, then that's all that matters. But thank you so much. That video yesterday is just, it's been spammed out to so many people, and so many people are listening. It's so important. It's so important. Oh, I'm so tired. Happy Thursday, everybody. We'll make it a good one. We'll see the joy in today. No matter what we're going through, no matter what you're going through, holding each other's hand, yeah? Let me take this off. I've got my blooming thermals on. It says 12 degrees, but I'm a bit warm. Just have some little video messages back and forth with Suze. We do that sometimes. And the little Facebook noise emojis with the little fart. I've had some giggles back and forth, and then I send her a voice note giggle back. The little things. She does look tired though, as do I. 6 more to do. 6 more clients at work to do. Hi everybody, I'm home and I'm absolutely shattered. So what I think I'm going to do is do a just a soup, like one of my stews that I do. And I've got some chicken stock, some mushrooms, white pepper, a little bit of salt, garlic puree, chilli puree, some veg, some coriander, bamboo shoots, water chestnuts, onions, and chicken thighs. So I think I'm just going to make a soup, and I'll put 4 chicken thighs in it, and then it'll do me for tomorrow as well. But that's all I can be. That's all I can be. I don't even know what I'm saying. That's all I've got the energy for. Oh, Dave's running around. What are you doing? Is he chasing something? What are you chasing, you little guard dog? Be careful. Cats and everything around here are bigger than you, mate. Must be careful, sweetheart. So yeah, I'm just going to get the soup done. Me and Sue's had some really funny little video and voice notes back and forward today. She does look tired and poorly, but we had a giggle, and then if I have a giggle, I'll film it or I'll do the voice note of me giggling, and then she'll do it back to me, and it's just nice to hear her voice and for her to hear my voice. And we do that when I'm not with her, when I'm away, out at work, and it is funny. It's still hard, but funny. Ash is just getting ready to go to cadets, so he doesn't get in till quite late. So I'll chill out. Plan on having a shower later if I don't fall asleep first. My shoulders and everything hurt. Like I say, I think I do sleep when I'm with Suze, because you can't stay awake. Obviously, it's not good for anybody. But when I don't sleep, I don't ever relax. And Susie says to me, "Lay down, get all big nest of covers and hello, sweetheart, covers and pillows and things." But when we're in bed together, I don't want to disturb her, so I sort of move from a little chair to the floor to sitting on the bed. Oh God, it does hurt. But again, I'm not whinging. And after such a couple of days full of mega tears, because like I cry every day, but I don't cry in front of Suze. That's very rare. And yesterday we both couldn't stop. So, I mean, after we put that video up, we did, because we got it all out. But it was a tough day. You know, thanks for spreading the word. Lots of people have seen that video already. And we've had so many messages of support, and yeah. Right, I'm going to cook my dinner. That looks so yummy. I don't, but my dinner does. Ash is shouting at Dave. Dave's found something or some wildlife in the garden that he's seeing off. Get out of my garden, biff, biff, biff. Dave? Wow. Anyway, this never fails to hit the spot. Chicken noodle ramen Asian inspired soup. And I can't. Yum, yum, yum. I'll just come upstairs and look at this little precious baby. Oh, Minky Moo. I love you. Snuggle, all snuggled up. Dave. Oh, snuggled. Oh, diggle, 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 diggle. I love you. Let me go and get the babies in, the other two. We get your brother and sister in out of the garden. And I'll come up for big cuddles with you. Okay? Minky Moo. Minky Moo. He's so sleepy. What are you doing, you little rascal? Tiny tea bag. What are you doing? You little rascal chops. You're so handsome. I've got out of the bath and I've just come in to Teabag's room. We're just having a chat and a cuddle, aren't we? Just having some cuddles. He's ate his biscuit, so he's got all his crumbs on the floor. I love you. And he's so little. Come and sit with him just before bedtime. Don't we? Mr. Sit with you just before bedtime. With all your toys. And have a play. He's so cute. Ever so cute. Auntie Susie said she'd not seen you on the videos. Minky Dave, no fighting please. I'm arguing over a biscuit. So I thought I'd take video for Auntie Susie. You look in the video now, you look like as small as a mouse. You're like as tiny as a mouse. Come through the tunnel quick. Yay! Goodbye. Minky Moo. What is she playing at, I think? Bear with me. I'm going to have to go and split up an argument because somebody's got a biscuit. Somebody wants the biscuit when they've actually both got a biscuit each. They squabble like blimmin' toddlers. Just like kids. Look at his bum. Hello. I don't know if it picks it up on the camera. The sound when a rabbit is content. They go. What are you doing throwing your toys around? You're wrecking the joint. Want my kiss before bed? Thank you. Minky Moo. I've got to split my time between all of my children. some makeup on, and I'm just gonna run the straighteners through my hair to make myself feel a little bit more human. We're just taking the doggies for a walk. And now I can hear the bin men. So Ash has just been trapped in by them. So he's just waiting to go. Got a nice easy Friday today. Got a couple new people booked in, which is good. You're all right. It's not washing out. It doesn't wash out in 8 washes, that's for sure, this Weller hair mask. Definitely takes a few more than that. But I love this peachy ginge colour that I've got rocking on. You know, this weekend I think Susie's got, I think I mentioned it, our friend Kelly staying with her for a sleepover. And she just loves when Kelly comes to visit her. She's one of her oldest best friends. We grew up in the house behind where Kelly lived, where Kelly grew up. And she says Kelly makes her feel completely normal. Which is just, she said it's just the best escapism feeling ever. You know, Susie always says to me, she says, I know I can cry when I'm with you because you're the one that's going to be handling it all for everybody else. Because we're identical twins, you know. I know more than anybody what she's going through because you know, you won't understand it if you're not a twin, but you can feel it. You can feel it. I knew something was wrong because I had an overwhelming urge to get checked at the same time Susie was going, and neither of us would have known that. It was bizarre, but the twin thing is real. And so Susie, she loves it when Kelly goes round because she can they just don't mention it unless it needs mentioning, and they just have a lovely time together. Well, you know what I mean. What she says is they can sit in bed, her and Kelly, and not have to say a word, and they just love each other's company. And that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about, folks. So this weekend, my friend Beth has actually said that I can go over to theirs. And Ash said if I wanted to, I can. We'll see. We'll see how knackered I am. Other than that, I haven't got a lot planned. So if I don't go, I wish we could book another weekend away in the caravan. But we haven't just yet. There we go. That makes me feel a little bit better. feel like I've aged overnight. I lit a load of candles this morning while I was having my cup of tea, so that was nice. I've got the wood wick burner one, which crackles, and that's such a nice thing to listen to. And Pacific Wax Company Fresh Cotton, that's a lovely one as well. Right then, my loves, I suppose I better head out to work because that poop won't scoop itself. I love you. Did you enjoy your walkies? Oh, thank you so. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Did you enjoy your walkies? I love you. I'll see you then. I want cuddle. Want cuddle with me? Oh, that light's blinding. It's blinding you. We've got these lights off Amazon. They're so good. They come on automatically when you like walk down the stairs. They're blinding you. Oh, smacked me in the face with your massive earlugs. We've got lots of animals with huge earlugs, haven't we? And take after your dad. You'll be a good girl. Look after the house. Love you. Me. Right. The bit you've all been waiting for. It is. If I didn't do this every day, you wouldn't know what day of the month, day or month it was. 22nd of September. It's 7:46, and I need to get going. I've got quite a few booked in today. Oh. Orchid update. It is mind-boggling. They're all real. And I'm telling you, when they go like this, and they turn into dead twigs, they're not dead. They are not dead. They're just coming to the end of that cycle, and then you will notice more of the new stems come in. Get yourself rods and little clips like this to hold them up, and they will flower again. So I think you all think that your orchids are dying, and then you bin them. They're not. Persevere with them looking like a barren, arid, dead twig. Just bear with it, because it doesn't stay like that forever. It will regenerate, rebloom, and you only need to give them a little tiny drip of water every, once a week, if that, depending how hot the weather is, and keep an eye on the bottom and make sure it's not swimming in water. But yeah, it's just, oh my God, I love it. Absolutely love it. Right, Cookie, my darling, I'll see you when you get home, sweetheart. Love you, Teabag. Love you, Dave. Love you, Moo. Love you, Vast. See you all soon. Be good. Hey, guys. As soon as I put the camera on. As soon as I put the camera on, you go mental. Come here. Can't even get you. You're too fast. I've got sweeties in there, but you're not having any because you're too noisy. You're too noisy and you've had some. Don't tell me you haven't had some, because I just gave you some. I love you. Oh my God, you're so handsome. May I bestow, please? Thank you. Listen to mummy. Listen to mummy. Oh, good boy. 1, 2, 3, snip. Yay! So clever. Look at him. Oh, the camera, all the YouTubers. Say hello to everybody. Say hello to everybody on YouTube.
I need to do a howl.
Yeah, I need to sing to everyone.
Can I have a look at this one? Let's have this one. Good boy. I haven't seen you for so long, have we? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ship, yeah!
They're probably really long now as well.
Are they good?
Because even more afraid of this bloody grass.
I love you. Which front was the grass seed?
This one, I think.
Oh, ouchie, smouchy.
And then ever since that, I've found him everywhere now.
What, in him? On him?
Yeah, everywhere, because of his fur as well.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ship, yeah! Listen. Oh, get your balance. We haven't finished yet. Got at least 2 more to do. I know. That was your sore toe. I can imagine.
Put your leg down. You can't balance.
Thank you. Ready? Listen to Mama. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ship. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ship. Yeah. Have another look at this one. Oh, he's such a good boy. Let me get a bit more of that one. 1, 2, 3, snip. Oh, so clever. That ones look great.
Oh, good. Yeah,
Doesn't really take any offend, do we?
Yeah, real dry.
And some people say that I have like a funny like way of trimming dogs' nails. But if I know the dog, I can sit on the floor and I can do it and it is safe. You know, if you go into a dog you don't know, I wouldn't recommend sitting on the floor. I'm doing it, but look at him. He's such a handsome dire wolf. He's the stunt double in Game of Thrones, everyone.
Should have named him Ghost.
He's the stunt double in Game of Thrones. That's work finished. And I thought I'd come out for a little walk in nature. Just helps me reset, you know. I find it really calming. Wow, it's so beautiful. So beautiful down here. Look at all the wildlife and the birds. There's a heron on there, on the little boy. Oh, there's a beer bottle there, that's not good, is it? There's always one person that has to ruin it. Let me put you down while I try and rescue the beer bottle. I'll take that home and put it in the bin. Oh, so pretty here. So lovely.
What do you want? Surely you don't want a sweetie? Are you sure? Whoa. You're very cheeky, aren't you? You cheeky moomer. Yeah, excuse me. You only want me for my sweeties, don't you? Oh, hello. Here's the ginger one. Well, that's the garden all sorted. I've moved the hutches round just to try and give my beautiful grass a little bit of a rest. Before we had these two little terrors, my garden was lovely. Now there's lines everywhere and things like that, but never mind, these two are all good. So I shall go and get the little rascals, and I'll see you in a minute.
Little when the sun goes down, we could walk this autumn town, find a place to be alone, look into your eyes, feeling butterflies. We could dance under the stars, fall into each other's arms. Nowhere else we need to be, just you and me. We can't lose this love, so hold on to what we know we have. Hold on to moments that we've shared. Hold on if all we have is just each other. Everything